Okay, today I'm going to show you something like that. Once you get the result from VLOOKUP, you can expand only. You can able to see the expand only the details. Otherwise, if you try to double click, it's only show the formula. For that, for me, I don't need to keep all the details over here. I just close it. From here only I need to get the details like that. Expand only. No? From here I just going to click this one, it's automatically go to here. From here I can able to see it here, everything over here like that. For me I need to only keep it over here. Click this link, automatically go to the there. From here only I just keep it expand group row and column like that. For me to maintain this one I don't need all of these things, only I need to this one. Even though if I once you get the like that everything, so for example you delete all the like that everything and okay. Oh sorry, I just did my data. That's a mistake. So like that. Okay, only you need to keep it that expand row like that only, no? But you need to get the details from here. Whatever you type it on the industrial subject, your mark good or bad like everything. For that you need to go back to here and check it out. Once you okay, for example WAPO, that means once you create the group and group, yeah, group rows. So you have to come here and you have to search it WAPO over here and check it out. It's an easy way to do it to like the hyperlink with the VLOOKUP. That's the easy way to you can find out. So once you find out here WPOK WAPO, that's a Goldface Capital Partners Company. So here just click it, automatically select this row here. Okay, once okay, and over here again it's a Windforce, no? It's a Windforce company, so I'm going to select okay Windforce like that. Let me show you how to do that one using hyperlookup, hyperlink with the VLOOKUP. This is a code I'm using. Hyperlink contains hash cell, address, index, and CNAME. The CNAME, look at that over here. It's a CNAME. It's a table name. Here again it's a CNAME. The same table I'm using. So the when match to code name. Code name is this is the code name. Code name. So I'm using table now for that one. To open bracket and close bracket at code and code name, and obviously I'm using over here and code name the table. So that's a table I'm using, this table here. Use select control code name table, and if I select here c dot code, that's a table I'm using. Those two table or mentioned over here is here code name and table name. That's it. Let me show you how to do that from over here. So I'm using here so hyperlink, okay, and open bracket, not sorry, open double quotation hash mark hash. Yeah, unfortunately I can't find the hash in my laptop. Okay, I found hash at okay cell address, not address, index. So yeah, it's a cell address. Over here you can find the address, double quotation address, comma index and array. Now you have to find the array, so I'm using array equals c dot code. So there we have two. So okay, this one is that code and match Now I am using this at code, open bracket close bracket, this code. For that I am using open bracket code. For that I need to put the at mark, at sign, at mark, but you call it sun here one lookup. So here code match code 0 lookup 0 and close bracket, another close bracket, sorry, close bracket, 3 close bracket. Now I am going to use the vlookup for to that value over here. I need to get a variable power ratna like that. For that I am using the vlookup, close bracket, vlookup. It's a normal vlookup and open bracket, add code, close bracket, comma, code name. That's a code name. Code name means entire table. Last I saw the table name, and yeah, it's a 3 like that. 1 2 3. That means 3 comma 0 close bracket, close bracket, close bracket. That means hold here. So if it's a this close bracket, is this close bracket, you can find it. Keep the mouse cursor here and use the keyboard to left arrow. Okay, you can able to see the highlighting part. I hope it's worked. Let's try it. Okay, that means I had done something wrong. Yeah, I done something wrong. I didn't mention the over here. Look at that. I didn't mention over here lookup array. That means code C code. Yeah, that's a C code. The C code. That's it. Okay, whatever the plantation. So click over here. So automatically come to whatever the plantation like that. So once you're done, just copy the code over here, paste it. Okay, whatever plantation over here, and that's it. Available finance like that. All you need to watch out the coding. That not a coding, it's a formula. So once if you type it out, enter the correct formula like that. So I'm going to zoom it out, zoom it in. So let's see the formula. Not a formula. I always saying the formula function code maybe. The hyperlink hash, cell address index, and it's a seek dot code. That's this code. So which array I am using over here, this code. How we are going to get this name? So for example, I'm going to show you how like that. Select it, c dot price 02. Okay, look at that. Now if I select like that, so how are you going to delete that one? Formula namespace over here, delete. That's it. So that's how we are naming the tables. I hope you guys understand and learn something useful. So if anything get a error message something like that, leave the command so I can able to help it out, point out the where you can find the answer. Yeah, I'll try to reply the soon as possible.